A very good morning to our most valued and worthy guest, Shri Jayashree Vyasben, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. A.K. Suryavanshi, Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Rajesh, respected HOIs, all the present guests, parents, and my dear students. It's an honor that I have been asked to present a vote of thanks for this induction program of our USLM and as well as of the UWSB students. This vote of thanks shall begin with a mention of our beloved President Shri Ritesh Hadaji, who has been a guiding factor for all the endeavors that we do at this Karnavati University. Further, on behalf of my colleagues, I want to thank the chief guest who could give her precious time from her busy schedule to grace this event. Ma'am, I'm sure that your present words will not act as a guiding star to our students, but to all the teachers as well. Listening to you was a treat to the ears to all of us. I also thank the Vice Chancellor and the Pro Vice Chancellor for adding the charm to this event with their presence and motivating the words with their students. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to all the official dignitaries from the university who could find time to be a part of this event. Further, a big thanks to the Master of Ceremony, Professor Preeti, for her efforts towards this energetic anchoring. I would also like to place my earnest thanks to all the volunteers, because of whom this event could have become possible. I also want to thank all the teaching and the non-teaching staff for their cooperation. And students, I also want to share that we are fortunate that we have a dedicated and a very well motivated student council team and the innovation team at our university, which has always created wonders under the leadership of Shivendra ji. I am thankful to him, Ashwin, and to their entire team. I would also be failing in my duty if I do not express my thanks to Sharad Bhai, Vinod Bhai, Chirag Bhai and their team, who have worked tirelessly day and night to put this entire event in such a beautiful manner. Now, although I don't know whether it's a part of the vote of thanks or not to students, but the only thing that I want to convey as a teacher and as a dean to all of you, that I want to congratulate for the decision that you have decided to pursue your studies at the management level as well as the liberal arts or the mass comm at the Karnavati University. I can assure you that it is one of the best decisions that you would have made in your life, because the coming 3 years that you are going to spend with us, they are going to have a lot of learning and memorable experience with all of us. With this, I express my thanks to all those people who are present over here, maybe the parents, the students, the dignitaries, and all the officials from the university. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, everybody.